Hi folks, welcome to another video. This one should be a nice little quick one for you. It's going to be how to remove a windscreen. It doesn't really matter what car it is, you know, anything with like a rubber like this, you can use this technique. Before we get into the video, please do me a favour, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're informed of all my videos as and when I do them. Please have a look in the description, please check out all my friends' channels, go give them a like and subscribe as well. Also, while you're in the descriptions, please have a look at my merch store. You know, we've got big things coming up, and I need all the support that I can get, so please help me out with some merch. We've got t-shirts, we've got hoodies, we've got cups, all sorts of products in all sorts of different colours. So right, I'm working on the RS Turbo in a minute, and I need to take the screen out. Like I said, it doesn't really matter what car it is, you know, anything with a windscreen rubber or even a side window, it doesn't really matter. That this technique will work. Yeah, normally you'd use like a flat screwdriver, and the idea is to turn the rubber over a little bit. But I found you can use one of these little trim tools. Now this one's a Mac Tools one, but you don't need that. You can buy cheap sets off of Amazon, eBay and shit like that for about 15 quid. It comes like a set of 5. But as long as it's nice and tough and not too sharp, you know, you'll be good. So the idea is you need to turn the rubber over the lip. Doesn't really matter where you start. I've always found starting on an edge near a corner works best. It takes a minute or two to get it going. There we go. And then you just peel it around. Once you've got the first bit over, you just follow it down to the edge. You don't have to worry about the bottom, because you can pull the bottom off. Ow, ow, ow. Oh. So you just peel it around. And just move that rubber over that lip. Just like that. And you're getting close? Mm-hmm. You got in close so people can see what I'm actually doing. That's it, and then you just go through all the way around. Right, so that's what the rubber normally looks like, and that's what you're aiming for. So it's just sort of poking the other side. So now, a little push, that comes out. Just like that. Nice and easy. So yeah, that's it for the video. Nice quick one. Just quick how to remove a windscreen. As I said at the top of the video, please like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you for the next one. Catch you later. Bye.